Hey everyone, if you're looking for a free and open source software for video recording and live streaming, you can use OBS Studio. This is the number one choice for screen recording. First we need to download for using it. You can go to the obsproject.com, which is the official website. Select your operating system and click on it. It will download the installer file in your local hard drive. Once you download, just double click on this installer. It will do the setup. You have to follow the on-screen instructions for installation. So after completion of installation, you can open it from your Windows menu. This is the front end interface of OBS Studio. Here we have many options. I will explain one by one. We are going to use OBS Studio for desktop recording with the cam and my mic. For this, first of all, we have to do some settings. Come to the control section and click on setting button. First is general. Here you can set up your language and the theme from here. Leave all settings as it is right now. Come to the output setting and move to the recording section. Here you can define the path of your video where after recording this file will be saved. And here you need to select the recording format as MKV. If you click on it, you will find some more options. You can select MP4, but we recommend MKV because whenever we start recording, or in any case in the middle of recording, our system get stopped recording, we may lose our all recording. But if we use MKV as a format, we will not lose, and the file size of the format would be very less. But we have to follow one more step to convert this MKV to MP4 after stop recording. That I'll show you in the advanced section. So once you are done with this, click on apply, then move to the audio section. Here you can use the sample rate, then the channel type, and if you want to record the system audio, you can enable this option. But in my case, I'm not gonna use. We have some mic options as well, but I disabled all these options because I will record the audio from my source, which I'm gonna explain in this video later on. Then move to the audio section. From here, we have to select the resolution. For full HD, we have to select 1920 by 1080, and aspect ratio would be 16 by 9 only. And you have to select the output to 1920 by 1080 as well. Here you can define your FPS. By default you can use 30, but for some time we use the 60 as well. This time I'm gonna use 30 only. Now move to the advanced section, and from here if you go down in the recording section, you have to select automatically remix to MP4. Click on apply and then click OK. Now we have to define our scene. By default, one scene is available. You can rename if you want. For adding the source, click on plus sign. Here we have many options like audio input. Select this one, give some name if you want, then click OK and select your device. In my case, it is Yeti Stereo microphone. Click OK. For noise reduction, you can see some background noise is coming because it is going to the red, so that can be handled or achieved from here. So you can select this bar to adjust the audio input strength. For background noise removal, select this one, click on filter, click on plus sign and select the noise suppression, click OK. Also you can add noise gate if you want. Just check your audio and the background noise in your studio. Once you are done, close it, and then we are going to add my camera. So in this case, I'm going to use this time video capture and click OK. I have laptop in which I have integrated cam, so we can use our different devices from here. I also have Logitech 922 Pro Stream webcam, so I'm selecting this way. And from here we can configure our video. Just go through all that. I do not use low light compression, I disable. By default it would be enabled. Once you are done with your settings, you can click OK and then come to the resolution of your camera. Select here and click on custom. From here you can select any resolution of your camera. In my case, because I want to use the camera on the below right corner, so I want to use 800 by 600, and we can leave all other settings as it is. So now here we can see our camera setting, and this is my preview section. So this is my complete screen, and I can adjust my screen as per my choice. And if I want to crop the screen, then I can use Alt key, just press from the keyboard and use this with the mouse, and you can crop the size of your extra space in the video screen. Once you are done, you can leave as it is. Now we are going to add my desktop as well. So I'm going to click on plus sign and then select display capture this time. Click OK, and from here we can select our different monitors if we have. In my case, I have 3 monitors. One, this is my primary, which is my laptop monitor. This is my LG ultra wide screen, and this is my TV screen. So I'm going to use this one, and we can enable or disable our capture cursor over here. If you do not want to capture your cursor, you can disable, otherwise enable this option and click OK. And now we can see our display, our camera is not visible because we have video capture device just downside of the display capture. So we have to move to the upper side. So these all works like a layers. So now we can adjust the screen as per our choice. We have some more options. Select this cam and click on filter, and from here we can adjust like color correction, and we can do a lot of things. So you can adjust the gamma, contrast, brightness, and so many options. So you can just play with it, and whenever it's fit with your requirement, you can close and you can start recording by just clicking on this button. So I'm going to record my screen right now. So I'm going to click on start recording and click here to stop. Remixing is going on. Once it's done, the dialog box will disappear from here, and here we got our files. So this is our MP4. If you double click on it, it will be played for you. So that's all from this video. This is how you can record the desktop using the OBS Studio, which is absolutely free and open source software. Thank you for watching. If you really like this video, hit on the like button and subscribe our channel as well. Thank you for watching. Please come back again.